welcome. It's Christmas is coming up soon and all these things and a lot of stuff going on. We got Christmas lunch, we got Christmas dinner, we got Christmas pudding, we got Christmas Jamaican rum fruit cake, black cake, we got all sorts of stuff coming up. But anyway, I cut that story short, you know what I mean? And that's what I say. I did have some pasta and, you know what I mean, and some vegetable, and I said to myself, I don't even want to chuck them in the bin. I didn't want to do something with it really fantastic for my fans them. And so I just want to give you the idea, if you got things at home, you don't need to put it in the bin. You can make something with it. But watch the video, leave your comments below and tell me what you think about it. Alright guys, I put a little bit of jerk seasoning in it just to bring up the flavor. Because I'm Jamaican, I love jerk seasoning, and I know you guys will like it also. So anyway, please subscribe and just give me a right below. Alright, so thank you so much guys. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. One love from Chef Ricardo on the team, and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch the video, leave your comments. Beautiful, lovely and nice. Welcome back into the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. He's amazing guys. Anyway, you know what happened yesterday? I was cooking and I cooked a little bit too much pasta. Not spaghetti and not pasta, but I just said pasta, you know what I mean? Cut it shorter. And I got a pack of veg, a mixed veg in my fridge, and I said, what should I do with this? It's right here. You know what I mean? Christmas color look, ain't it? You got some Brussels sprout, you got yeah mate. You got some mixed peppers and some cabbage and some onion and, you know, few things in it. But as I said, you can buy any mixed vegetable at supermarket or in, you know what I mean? And I have some jerk season, and I say one thing come to my mind, the Jamaican jerk season. One thing come to my mind, and I say to myself, say, you know what happened? I have to go do something with this. I'm not gonna put that in the bin. Got some garlic, spring onion, and some thyme. All of these ingredients. It's a lovely meal. Look at my recipe, you know, what we're gonna give the fans them. We're gonna make them happy, and we're gonna love this one. So check in the full recipe how we're gonna do this. Alright? Nice and lovely. Put on a little bit more heat pan. That's my front pan I wanna use. Man, I'll tell you something. You see this pot? I love it so much. Hold on there. I'll give it a kiss. Mwah! I love this pot. This pot is thick. And honestly guys, you know what I mean? It's just nice to cook things in. I love it so much. Pop roughly 2 teaspoons of olive oil inside of the front pan. And after, put 2 cloves of garlic, some fresh thyme, 1 chopped up spring onion, and saute this after about 2 to 3 seconds. You can smell that lovely garlic coming from it. Garlic smells so nice. I love garlic. After you do that, put in your veg. So as I can see how my veg looking lovely and nice. That's exactly what me talk about. You see how it look? Nice and lovely. So we're gonna fry off this about 2 seconds. In between the 2 seconds, add a little bit of coarse pepper. Little bit of mixed herbs. And we're going to add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Just to bring in a flavor to it, you know? Give it a stir. Stir for about 3 seconds. Alright, nice one. So basically, we're going to add the pasta. Alright? That's the pasta. Give it a quick stir. After you do that, 1 teaspoon of the jerk season. Give it a good stir. And this looking so nice, lovely, sexy, everything in a one, pretty. Oh my days. Look at that. Look at this right here. So what we're going to do after we do all of that hard work, look at this now. Because this is Chef Ricardo's secret recipe, them, you know. Just put a little bit of sweet chili sauce just to balance it off. Give it a good stir again. This doesn't take long, guys. Honestly, look at that. You know what happened? I'm going to share it out now. It is finished. Good news. It's finished. It is finished, guys, and I'm telling you, you will love it. All right. Christmas look. Nice. So I'm going to share it out. Hopefully, guys, like the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. As I said before, my name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica and the world with the best food. Good news that people who even didn't know about Jamaica is me today. Let them know about Jamaica. Because they heard me talking about Jamaica. They watched my video and they said, no, this chef is brilliant. Where's Jamaica? So, you know what I mean? It's good news. Everybody's playing their part. Bob Marley plays part. You know what I mean? Michael Jackson plays part. Now Chef Ricardo is playing his part with the food. So, I saw it go. Everybody have to play their part. So the good news is spreading. That mean, you know what I mean? Look at that. Whoa. That looks so lovely and nice. You know what happened, guys? I'm going to share out this now. I'm going to more further with it. Seriously. I'm going to share it out. Looking too good. Nice and lovely. So basically what I'm going to do now is share it out. So first thing, guys, as I say, look at this. This is nice. Got a nice pasta bowl, you know, but you know, sometimes in life you just make things look a little bit different. As you can see exactly at me at that bowl right here. Yeah, man, that looking lovely and nice. So please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. And as I said, my name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica and the world with the best recipe than ever in this world. So, what do you think about that? Let me know in the comments box. If it is a lovely meal, you know what I mean, it's still balanced, it got a lot of veg in it. It's jerk, but it's have a lot of vegetable, it got a lot of stuff in it. That's fantastic. You know what I mean, the color, everything is perfect. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. And as I said, my name is Chef Ricardo. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and Google+. Don't forget to subscribe, very important for me and the team. So stay tuned as we come with a lot more recipe. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back in the kitchen. Welcome back in the kitchen. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar, guys. It is amazing. It is amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I'm always give my fans them healthy recipe where you can make at home, recipe where very easy. Everyone know spinach. Spinach, you can get that, and it's one of the most cheapest veg you can ever get right now in the world. I have roughly about half handful of spinach right inside of my blender right here, and I just cut up a few cucumber and a few pieces of ginger. I'm gonna just put a few pieces of ginger inside of the blender and some cucumber. Not too much cucumber, you know what I mean? But some cucumber where, as you can see exactly what I'm doing at the moment. Lovely. So there's no more can inside of it. So the spinach leaf look fresh and nice and healthy. I have some red grape juice, healthy red grape juice. This is the original one. I'm gonna pour some in it like this. Nice one. And all I'm going to do is cover my blender. And we will be blending this about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright? Because it's not a ninja blender, this is my ordinary blender. I love use this one when I'm doing certain kind of, you know what I mean, juice like this one. Bang! Nice and lovely. Just finished the juice. And honestly, it looks so lovely and fantastic, guys. I can't wait to drink this. Yeah, man, look at this. Nice glass. So, this is from the juice bar, Chef Ricardo juice bar, guys. Got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas and a lot more stuff like this coming your way. Hopefully, you will love the recipe. And if you notice, it's healthy. Every one of my recipe them is just healthy. If you notice, I got the cucumber, spinach, and some grape juice. Beautiful. Blend it. You don't need to add any sugar or anything else to it or no water. That's all is natural and healthy for you. Drink this 5 mornings straight. You can see definitely some benefit inside of the whole system taking place. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent the Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We will do a big launch on the channel as soon as we reach 1,000 subscribers. We will be doing a launch. Alright, guys. Thank you so much to tune in and watch my show. Got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming on for you. See you next time. Bye bye.